I used AI to write and publish a book on Amazon, and the results were not what I expected. I did not expect it to be this fast. I did not expect the process to be this straightforward. And I definitely did not expect to see my first royalty payment arrive within the first 2 weeks of publishing. Today, I am sharing the complete story. What I wrote, how I used AI to write it, how I published it on Amazon with zero experience, and exactly how much it made. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What is Amazon KDP and why it is a perfect AI income model? Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It is Amazon's free self-publishing platform that lets anyone publish a book and sell it to Amazon's global customer base of hundreds of millions of buyers. No publishing deal needed, no agent, no prior writing experience. You upload your manuscript, set your price, and Amazon handles everything else. Printing, delivery, customer service, and payment. Amazon pays royalties of 35 to 70% of every sale. A book priced at $9.99 earns approximately $7 per sale. Sell 10 copies per day, and that is $70 of daily passive income from a book you wrote once. The challenge has always been the writing itself. Most people have knowledge worth sharing, but cannot sit down and produce a complete manuscript. AI eliminates that barrier entirely. How I chose my topic. I opened Claude and asked it to identify book topics with proven demand on Amazon where content could be genuinely helpful rather than generic. Claude suggested several strong directions. I chose a practical beginner guide in the productivity and AI tools space, a topic I know well, and one with clear buyer demand on Amazon. I went to Amazon and searched for books in my niche. I studied the bestseller rankings and, most importantly, the 1- and 2-star reviews. Those negative reviews told me exactly what readers felt was missing from existing books. That gap became my angle. My book would cover the exact practical steps that existing books glossed over. Specific, actionable, beginner-friendly. The gap the market was asking for. How I wrote the book, using Claude. I gave Claude a detailed brief. Target reader. Transformation by the last page. Chapter list. Tone. Practical, warm, direct. Approximate word count of 15,000 words. Claude produced a complete chapter outline in under 2 minutes. I reviewed it, made adjustments based on my own knowledge, and confirmed the structure before writing anything. Then I drafted each chapter using a detailed brief to Claude, generating a first draft in under 2 minutes, and carefully editing and personalizing every section. Real examples and genuine insights added throughout. Each chapter took between 20 and 40 minutes from brief to finished draft. 12 chapters total. The complete manuscript was finished in 3 focused days. I gave the finished manuscript back to Claude for a full review, checking consistency, flow, and weak sections. Claude identified 4 areas needing expansion and 2 that felt repetitive. I addressed all of them in a final editing pass. Total writing time, approximately 8 hours across 3 days. How I published on Amazon KDP. I went to kdp.amazon.com and created a free account. The process is straightforward and guided step by step. I uploaded my manuscript as a Word document. KDP converts it automatically to Kindle format. I designed my book cover in Canva using KDP's exact dimension requirements. I asked Claude to write my title, subtitle, and book description, all optimized for Amazon search keywords. I priced the Kindle version at $7.99 and enrolled in KDP Select, which pays me per page read from Kindle Unlimited members on top of direct sales. I also set up a print-on-demand paperback at $14.99. Amazon prints and ships every physical order. I never handle inventory. From account creation to live on Amazon, 4 hours. The results. My book went live on a Tuesday morning. By Friday, 11 Kindle sales and 3 paperback sales. Total royalties in the first 4 days, $61. By end of month 1, $237 in combined Kindle sales, paperback sales, and Kindle Unlimited page reads. $237 from a book written in 3 days using AI. A book that continues selling every month with zero additional effort. That is not life-changing income alone, but it is a validated passive asset. Real people paid real money for knowledge inside it. And the income compounds every month as more readers find it through Amazon search. 5 books at the same monthly rate is over $1,000 per month of completely passive royalty income. Your action plan. Starting today, choose your topic using Claude and Amazon Review Research. Write your chapter outline with Claude. Draft each chapter with Claude and edit carefully. Design your cover in Canva. Publish on KDP for free. Enroll in KDP Select. Your book can be live on Amazon within 1 week of starting today. What topic would you write your first Amazon book about? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this opened your eyes to a new passive income opportunity, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.